Big wins, yeah, coming my way. No doubt, you know that I'm great. I said wolves, it's time to go crazy. I'm locked in and I'm feeling amazing. If you're small, you should bet on me. Get real big wins, then sipping high tea. This is how it's
Happy birthday, Alan. Ayan, tumatanda ka na. 40 ka na. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Ingatan mo sarili mo. Huwag kang magbabago. Alam mong andito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. Mahal ka naming lahat. Happy birthday. Enjoy!
you feel it. Wanna feel it. Here we go, here we go. Can you feel it? Oh, now we live it. Here we go, let's go.
Happy birthday, Alan. Wala naman akong ibang mahihiling, kundi good health and more happiness.
Here we go, here we go. Can you feel it? I'm here to get you a ride and feel good too. Live it up every day like I feel ooh. Just got a big check, so I bought a new coupe. If you had this life, what would you do? I'm here to win again, again, again and again. Go tell your friends that we going in. You add it up, a perfect 10. Ooh. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, I like what you do. Get your vibe right, get in the groove. You can't lose. Can you feel it? Wanna feel it? Here we go, here we go. Can you feel it? Oh, now we live it. Here we go, let's go. Here we go, here we go. Here we go, let's go.
Gusto ko mong pasalamat sa aming mga kaibigan, sa aming mga kamag-anak at kaibigan na pumunta ngayon. Binigyan niyo po ng puwang ng oras si Alan sa puso niyo. Maraming salamat po. Tatanawin po namin itong isang malaking utang na loob dahil binigyan niyo po yung importansya na makasama namin kayo ngayon sa 40th birthday ni Alan.
She's a hard to label, untamable woman. Just wait till you see her.
Of course, tulad ng hinihilong ng marami, good health, and I wish na maging humble ka pa rin, no, kahit marami ka nang naabot sa buhay. We really appreciate na hindi mo kami nakakalimutan every time na uwi ka sa Tagkawayan, and lagi kang magparamdam ng pag nandun ka. More success and more abundance sa birthday.
Take her out tonight. She's not just one of the ladies. She ain't gonna fall for the same old lie. You're in trouble, baby. No time to take it slow. You gotta show what you got. Anything it takes to keep from moving on. You know it when you take her out tonight. She's not just one of the ladies. Yeah, she's gonna make you work for it.
Ay Alan, happy birthday, more blessings. Maraming salamat sa ginagawa niyo sa amin ni Ian. Good bless, God bless.
She's an independent down to
Laging
business.
dasal ko lang maging maligaya kayo ni Idol at laging siyang mamahalin, aalagaan at maging tapat ka sana sa kanya. Mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa. Maging maligaya kayo at magpalain pa sa mga ginagawa niyo sa amin. Mga magulang niyo, mahal na mahal ka Alan at saka si Idol ko. Maraming salamat at maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. Sana magtagumpay kayong dalawa ni Idol. I love you!
When you take her out tonight, she's not just one of the ladies. She ain't gonna fall for the same old lie. You're in trouble, baby. No time to take it slow. You gotta show what you got. Anything it takes to keep from moving on. You know it when you take her out tonight. She's not just one of the ladies. Yeah, she's gonna make you work for it.
Happy birthday, Tito Alan! Thank you for loving us!
And when you see those lights go down.
So Alan, yun, alamay kita. Happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa munting hinandog namin sa iyo ngayong kaarawan. Thank you so much guys. Thank you everyone. And enjoy the night. Thank you and in God's will, God's will, magkakasama-sama pa rin tayo sa mas mahabang panahon. Panginoon, gusto kong magpasalamat sa buhay na binigay nyo kay Alan, sa pagmamahal na binigay nyo dahil hinayaan nyo akong makasama siya ng matagalang panahon. And sana mas makasama ko pa siya sa mas matagal na panahon habang pinagsisigahan namin.
Yeah, she's gonna make you work for it.